If you think this webinar has given you a few more tips, insights into something you're doing, into something you want to go back and change. Yes, Mohammad Samir, thank you for saying yes. Yes, Sagar. Like I said earlier, Team Nephlearn, we want to bring out the practical tips to you. We don't want just bookish knowledge to come to you. You can open the books, you can open the internet, you can read the core curriculum, you can go ahead and practice so many things. But on the floor, right now, today, when I go back to my unit, what is it, that one thing that I'm going to change? And we want this change to happen. That's our mission. We want to guide technicians. We want to be a platform where you can come and ask us this question openly. So many of my students have come and messaged me at night. I'm on WhatsApp. They've messaged me at night. They've messaged me through YouTube. We're on the YouTube. Well, with this, we proceed with the session. So now, what actually bothers you? Infection control in dialysis unit is a huge topic. And it's not something we can cover in the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes, definitely. Each of the topics, each of the aspects, from surface cleaning to environment cleaning. So now we're going to talk about some practical tips about preventing vascular catheter infections. And let's begin. And I think we can stop here now. It's a lovely Sunday morning, and I won't keep you anymore from enjoying the day with maybe your families. Go out for a stroll, go out for an ice cream. And whenever you do that, remember Nephlearn, remember Team Nephlearn. And is the certificate available? Well, not for a free webinar. I enjoy teaching and you enjoy learning, and I hope you enjoyed the morning that we spent together. Okay, so we'll stop now because your questions are amazing questions. You've been an amazing audience. You've been so interactive. You've been so engaged, and I really loved it. Love teaching all of you. And I hope to see you again because we will be coming up with another webinar soon. Also, for those of you who are in India, I'm coming to Aurangabad next weekend. On the 15th of September, I will be in Aurangabad. And I am taking a live session for all of you. Yes, you heard that right. I'm taking a live session for all of you on the topic of emergencies in dialysis. So we will be talking about sudden cardiac death. We'll be talking about rigors. We will be talking about sudden bleeding, sudden clotting, hemolysis, and so many topics. But I have just 20 minutes. So if you want any particular emergency to be covered in this, and if you are going to be there live, I think Priya is going to be there, and I'm very happy that she's going to be there with me. So please do message us, give us your love as you have given today, give us your appreciation because that keeps us going. And Team Nephlearn is very happy to see you all here. So Priya, can we say goodbye to all of them now?
Yes, thanks all to joining us today. And I hope you must install Nephlearn app, and please subscribe the Nephlearn YouTube channel as well. Thank you, ma'am. And
Yes.
Thanks all attendees.
Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you. If I could see some of your faces, that would be lovely before
Yeah.
we sign off in the next 2 minutes. Yes. I think we had Archie Besa last time in our symposium. Yes, Suresh. Thank you. Thank you for putting on your videos. Thank you. Hello, Ram Rao. Hello, Swarna. Hello, Sagar. Sagar has been attending our live classes a lot. And I hope you learned and enjoyed those. Yes. Hello, Joseph. So nice to see you. Yeah. A lot of you. Yes. If I come to any city, I will be putting up on my website or on my channel, YouTube channel. And definitely, if you are there and we can have a session together, then we will try and engage all of you. So good day, goodbye, and like Amitabh Bachchan says, Shabba Khair. Okay, bye.